Do you aspire to design cleaner, more robust Python code? Or struggle with making your APIs intuitive and extendable? Would like to make your class hierarchies easily maintainable? The key lies in mastering abstract base classes, and Tubetrain is here to guide you step by step. In this comprehensive course, Abstract Base Classes in Python, you'll unlock the full power of Python's ABC mechanism to write better, more maintainable software. First, we clarify core fundamental concepts. We explain what an abstract base class is and why this concept is essential for understanding inheritance in Python. We remind you what duck typing is and highlight its role in ABC's mechanism. We teach you the skills experts use, such as defining custom dunder instance check and dunder subclass check methods, and working with virtual base classes from the collections.abc module. We continue with exploring the standard library's robust support for ABCs. You'll learn how to replace metaclasses with ABCs for cleaner design, how to use the @abstract method decorator effectively, and how to detect and propagate abstractness while seamlessly managing subclass relationships. Finally, we get hands-on with real-world use cases for ABCs. From solving Python peculiarities to diagnosing subtle failures, this practical part of the course equips you to tackle complex challenges with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just stepping into object-oriented design, this course is your ticket to mastering one of Python's most powerful tools. Ready to take your Python skills to the next level? Enroll in Abstract Base Classes in Python on Tubetrain today and unlock a new dimension of programming excellence.